schools, but I'm not going to big schools right now. I'm almost going to big schools. So, Mommy, talk to your friends.
Okay.
They're your subscribers, right?
Yeah.
Talk to them.
Okay.
I guess you're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ruth if you're new, and that's Riley.
I'm her daughter.
Yes, she's my daughter. So we're with my cousin, by the way. We're shooting a vlog, guys. She has makeup. I don't have makeup. It looks funny. Anyway, that's my cousin Maggie. So today is a Friday and we are going to run some errands. We're basically going to take pictures of Riley because we are applying for her to go to big school, so they need like pictures and copies and so yeah, that's all we're gonna do today, hence why I'm going with her. So I just thought we would invite you guys to our day, right? So yeah, let's go. I actually forgot a pen. Hi guys, so we are by G West. We honestly don't know where we can take pictures, but we'll ask around. I'm sure we'll find a place. Really cute.
Guys,
Look nice.
guys, there's a car that is having a golden handle.
You like it?
Yeah. Why not?
Okay.
Show them, Mommy. Come on.
I'll show them. Don't worry.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm taking like a monkey, right?
Let's go.
Oh, because I am a small monkey.
Are you a monkey?
Yeah, because you are a monkey too. And you too.
I don't like being a monkey.
You are a monkey.
Okay, let's go.
Tell me if I got it wrong, but you don't wanna be alone. Spend the evening by yourself, but you'll miss me when it's getting late. Got it all, babe. Save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you'll let me. Got it all, babe. Save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you let go, boy. Loving is a safe card. You don't have to play.
Hi guys, welcome to another day in the vlog. I know I left you guys hanging the other time on Friday. I'm so sorry for that. Things took a whole other turn. I didn't manage to submit the papers at the school, but I think I did everything that they need me to do. So we ended up going to Manzi's house, and then we had to leave to check on like a project that she's working on. So we didn't manage to submit, but we managed to take pictures for ID. So I am gonna submit these today before it's too late, because I feel like if I wait too long I may not find space for her for like standard 1, which is gonna be a bummer because it's so hard to find schools around. But she looks pretty, doesn't she? She looks so nice. Anyway, so I am gonna submit. They need 2 of these, but the men had only an option of getting, was like only 6 of these. Like she didn't have an option, he didn't have an option of taking maybe like 2 pictures, printing 2 pictures or 4 or whatever, but only 6. But it was okay. I mean, it ain't that bad. So yeah, what else did I get up to? Well, yesterday I went to church. Yesterday was Sunday, by the way. I didn't vlog on Saturday because I was up to nothing at all. So yesterday I went to church, and then after church I passed by a big discount store in block 3 industrial, because that's where my church is. And then they had posted what they have in stock on their Facebook page. Get a big discount store. So I'll put on the screen somewhere. So I passed by and I got this hat. How cute. Because I've been wanting a nude hat. I mean, I wanted to get this one in nude, like with the gold thingy and the design and the texture in this color, but they were sold out. Literally, they posted these hats on Saturday evening. I went there Sunday around, I think I was there before 11, and these ones were done in nude. Like, how fast can Gab's girls be, really? They open at 9, so around 9 some people were waiting outside. So yeah, when I got this one, there were only 3 left. Can you believe it? Like, by the time I left the shop, these were done as well. Like, they were sold out, but they have other colors like blue, a very nice green. I don't know if it's like a military green or something like that color. Like, it's very nice. I actually love it. So yeah, I decided to go for this nude. I really love it. I love it. It was $40. And then I took this pink one. Listen, when I saw the picture that they advertised, there's this lady that was wearing this pink hat. I'm like, baby, you are the reason I'm gonna get this pink hat, okay? Like, literally, that lady, I don't know her name. Like, if you guys know who she is, please tell me, because I need to follow her on Instagram or whatever, okay? Because I really like how she styled this hat. It wasn't a full picture, but she made me buy this hat. So yeah, I'll put a picture at the side so you guys can tell me if you know her. I really like this. It has this gold, it's a rose gold chain. I absolutely love it. Listen, I'm gonna abuse this chain, okay? Like, if you see this chain on my other hats, please don't judge me, okay? I feel like I'm gonna transfer it to this one as well sometimes when I wear it, but I don't want to ruin the black thing either, because I sometimes prefer this with like the black ribbon thing with this hat. But we'll see, okay? We'll see. I absolutely love my new hats. I think this one is 45, the other one was 40. So yeah, they're so cute. Anyway, then I went to Hi-Fi. I'll just put the clip now.
I'm here when you need me. I'm yours. If you let go, boy, loving is a safe card. You don't have to play hard. Love and let go, boy. You don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. Every time is a blessing, and I know we can take it to the next level. If you let go, boy, you don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. If you let go, boy, loving is a safe card. You don't have to play hard. You love and let go.
So I think, as you guys might have seen, this is what I went to buy. So this is basically like an Android TV box. Please close the door. It's an Android TV box, so it converts a non-smart TV to a smart TV basically. So it has like your Netflix, YouTube and stuff. So yeah, really excited for this. I tried to set it up, but the internet connection was extremely slow, so I don't know. It's actually for my holiday, so my boyfriend will have to set it up himself. But yeah, that's just it. So now that I've basically made you guys catch up with what's been happening, today is a Monday and I am gonna go out to submit the papers, like I said, to Riley's, hopefully Riley's new school. And then right now I'm waiting for FNB. They called me this morning because they want to deliver my card my new bank card. I actually didn't know they can deliver, honey, so I was so relieved because line FNB can be so annoying, like literally, especially month end. I was not looking forward to going through that, so they said they'll deliver it. I don't know what time though, so I'm gonna wait for the delivery guy. Listen, if he doesn't come by say 2:30, I'm gonna leave, like, so I can submit the papers today because I really want to get this over and done with. But in the meantime, while I'm waiting for him, I'm gonna undo Riley's hair because she wants to undo her hair.
And then tomorrow I plaits.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna do her hair tomorrow. So I also have to look for braids. Like after submitting the papers, I have to look for braids.
You and your friends.
Yes.
And she had Rizzy and Maggie.
Yes.
Your cousin and your friends.
Yes. So yeah, I think that's about it. So I will take you guys throughout my day. Let me just put these back in here. I put them in my card holder. So yeah, let's go and do your hair, baby girl.
Today, when I didn't wear my jersey.
Oh, you can look for a jersey.
You don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. Every time it's a blessing, and I know we can take it to the next level.
Guys, FNB brought the card. Literally 10 minutes after talking to you guys, the gentleman arrived. So I got my card. Like, how convenient is that? Yo, but home. Yo, I'm so happy. Anyway, I'm wearing this black hat because I'm wearing all gray. Different shades of gray, darling. So yeah, I think that's it. Let's go. I guess we get but we'll get to it, okay? At least let me just go, come back while it's still early. It's around like past 11, so yeah, let's go. Hi guys, so we managed to submit. I mean, it was closed. That closed like till schools open, which is the 17th of August. But the lady just decided to help us, you know. So we're done. We decided to pass by D West to get bread for Riley, and then we got some snacks. I'll show you guys when I get home. So I wanted to tell you guys, my uncle was cleaning the car, and for some weird reason the seat won't go back. So now I have to struggle one ahead, like see where my legs are. Guys, I'm having trouble driving. It's not even funny. Hey, oh boys. So checking your steering wheel is such a job. Man, it's okay. I forgot to put my seatbelt. Anyway, so driving is hectic today. So we need to get this fixed ASAP because now it's so uncomfortable driving. It's even hurting my leg, my right foot, because that's the one I use. Get out of it, guys. I can't wait to get home.
Ouch.
This is
Yo.
okay.
Hello, boy.
Is it okay? And now, like, because I'm some old lady. You gotta get more to if you guys saw me getting in the car, you would totally understand what I'm talking about. But anyway, I'll talk to you guys when I'm home. Let's play some music, okay? Guys, we managed to arrive, so I got these for Riley. 1 million braids. Just one pack. I think it'll be enough. She wants to plait like singles. So I think I'm gonna do sort of like knotless braids on her. I've done that before. Just that she wants long braids. I don't know why. But here we'll just do it. So I bought them. Anyway, that's all I got from the Chinese store. So We went to Spa. So it's so noisy, so I can see there's a green plastic and then we'll talk. Okay, so we got Doritos. These are my favorites. Like the blue ones are my fave. I love sweet chili, so it makes sense. So yeah, got these Mexican chili. Lay's, like I said, I love sweet chili. Don't judge me. I think almost every time I buy snacks, I always go for like these and the Doritos. Got these ones for the kids. We got some scones, rock buns, and mini rock buns. We got these. I love these. I really love these. The lemon creams. And then I've never had these before, but I thought these are nice to snack on with like coffee or also whatever you want to have. Obviously got bread. Then I got myself, no one is supposed to know, then these for my cousin and I. Yeah, that's all we got. Like we really need snacks, guys. Like I think most of us at home spend the whole day at home, especially the kids. They eat a lot, they play a lot, so they need like snacks for in between meals and stuff. Most of that we cook one like proper meal a day. Like you have your breakfast, everybody chooses what they have, like either motoho or cereal or bread, whatever you choose. And then sometimes we make like my fresh for everyone in the house around like lunchtime or something, but we only cook dinner around like by 5. So it's very important for us to have bread in the house all the time as well as snacks. So you really get rid of like a popcorn seeds. Those are so efficient, hey? Popcorn seeds are so efficient. What can you live is? Had luck another time. So I just thought I should show you guys that. I want to have coffee with cream or raka, di mini rock band, and that is gone. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna do. Then I'm gonna do Riley's hair. So yeah, let's continue with the vlog. That's where I'm gonna hide my sweets. Don't tell.
If you let go, boy, you don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. I guess you're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, your secrets to my grave.
Hey guys, so today's a Tuesday and I'm literally only talking to you guys now. Yeah, so let's just go back so that I can fill you guys in. So we managed to undo Riley's hair. That was yesterday. We were done with that. We were supposed to plait her hair today, but we didn't do that because it was my baby cousin's birthday. So there was a little celebration happening. Just balloons, a cake, then snacks for the kids, and then we decided to braai some meat. Nothing hectic really. So yeah, it was quite a busy day. I had a client as well. It was just a lot, okay? It was a lot, so I didn't really have time to pick up the camera. So I just wanted to close off the vlog, and then I thought, why would I just leave you guys hanging? You know, let me just fill you in on what happened. So yeah, I'll put some clip. I think before this, yeah, you guys would have seen the little braai thingy that we had going on. We actually bought like cans of chakalaka, and then there's this whole thing about maybe like beans and stuff being returned, like we're supposed to return them to the shops and stuff. So at first we were confused, like, okay, is it just the beans or like every canned product from Koo? So we're like, you know what, let's just hold off on the chakalaka thing a bit, just so we get like clarity if we're supposed to return everything or just the beans. So yeah, we decided to just make like veggies in like a salsa type of thing, because we got the message but then quite late, hey, so we really didn't have time to go to the shops to look for like an alternative salad or something like that. But yeah, it's all cool, it's all right. We enjoyed, we celebrated him, so that's okay. So yeah, I think that's just about it. I'm gonna start editing this vlog now. Literally, I'm gonna post it tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna do Riley's hair tomorrow though, but you guys won't see that in this vlog. I will definitely show you guys in my next vlog, so I'm sorry about that, but it's Chaeli. I have to post this tomorrow. I can't extend the vlog to another day because I do post on Wednesdays. So yeah, I just thought I should say bye properly. So yeah, thank you so much you guys for watching. Thank you for the support, for subscribing, for engaging with me and everything. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in my next video. So now I'm just gonna wear my PJs, chill here, have some snacks from earlier on, a slice of cake and tea, and then I'll sleep when I'm done. So yeah, good night.